Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Spongebob Decorations is probably one of the most exciting ways to bring the underwater world of Bikini Bottom to life for your next celebration, transforming any party space into an unforgettable undersea adventure that will have guests of all ages exclaiming, "I'm ready," with pure joy and anticipation for the fun-filled festivities ahead. Number 5. Transparent Bubble Garlands Mermaid Party Decoration. Transform your party space into an enchanting underwater wonderland. These garlands create a whimsical atmosphere, perfect for any celebration. Watch as these decorations mimic the magical effect of real bubbles. Their reflective design adds a touch of sparkle and fun to your event. From birthdays to weddings, these garlands are incredibly versatile. They are ideal for a wide range of themes, including mermaid, ocean, and beach parties. Easily cut them to your desired length and hang them anywhere. They are perfect for decorating walls, trees, balloons, and more to create a stunning backdrop. Save and reuse these beautiful decorations for future events. They offer a cost-effective way to add a unique touch to any celebration. We are here to help if you have any questions. Your satisfaction is important to us, ensuring your party planning is stress-free. What we like. This decoration offers a unique transparent bubble effect, simulating a real bubble atmosphere. It is reusable, making it a cost-effective choice for multiple parties. If you are looking for a whimsical and versatile decoration that can be hung in various places to create an underwater or dreamy ambience, this is a great option. What people say. The decorations were very cute and colorful, making the party atmosphere lively. The SpongeBob theme was a hit with the kids, and the decorations were easy to set up. Number 4. Yellow Blue Clear Metallic Balloons, 60 PCS. Introducing our stunning balloon kit, perfect for any celebration. This set includes 60 metallic balloons in yellow, blue, and clear, along with 2 ribbons. Crafted from durable, long-lasting latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated throughout your event. They are safe for decoration and can be filled with air or helium. Inflating them is a breeze, simply use your mouth, a pump, or helium for floating effects. They are ready to use straight out of the vacuum-sealed packaging. These balloons are ideal for a wide range of events, including birthdays, baby showers, weddings, and graduations. They add a special touch to any underwater or themed party. Use them to craft beautiful balloon garlands, bouquets, or banners. They are sure to surprise your guests and make your party unforgettable. Once inflated, these balloons can maintain their shape for approximately 2 days. You can even reuse them, ensuring lasting enjoyment for your decorations. What we like. These balloons are made from durable latex, ensuring they stay inflated for a long time. They come vacuum sealed to prevent oxidation. If you need reliable balloons that can be filled with either air or helium for a floating effect, and want a good quantity for various party setups, these are a solid choice. What people say. The colors, pink, teal, blue, and purple, are absolutely gorgeous in person. Bright, soft, and girly without being too loud. They matched our pastel unicorn theme perfectly. They held up beautifully, no early popping, no fading, and stayed floating for the whole party, and then some. The quality is great, thick enough to feel durable, but still easy to blow up and tie. Not a single one popped, which was such a relief. They were easy to tie and attach to create a beautiful arch. The confetti-filled balloons added a fun, festive touch and were a huge hit. Number 3. Yellow Blue Clear Balloon Arch Kit. Create an enchanting underwater world for your next celebration. This kit brings the magic of the ocean to life with its unique color palette. This comprehensive set includes balloons in various sizes and colors, plus all the tools needed to assemble a stunning balloon garland. You'll have everything for a perfect display. Crafted from durable, natural latex, these balloons offer vibrant colors and excellent elasticity. They are perfect for both indoor and outdoor decorations, ensuring a lasting impression. Whether it's a birthday, baby shower, or summer beach party, this decoration is a showstopper. It's perfect as a photo backdrop or to adorn your dessert table. Easily assemble your own beautiful balloon arch in minutes. Just inflate and attach, it's that simple to create a memorable party atmosphere. The clear balloons add a delightful bubble-like effect, enhancing the underwater theme. They create a truly immersive and playful ambience for your guests. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to create a stunning balloon arch with a fresh underwater ocean theme. It includes balloons in various sizes and colors, along with all the accessories for assembly. If you want to easily create a professional-looking balloon garland for an ocean or summer party, this all-in-one kit is perfect. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the characters are well represented, making the decorations really pop. Easy to assemble and hang, the set included everything needed for a complete party look. Durable material that held up well throughout the party, and can likely be reused for future celebrations. Number 2. 2-pack blue backdrop curtain tinsel streamers. Add a touch of glamour to your next celebration with these stunning tinsel streamers. They create an eye-catching and mesmerizing effect that will make your party shine. These backdrops are perfect for any doorway or wall, creating an impressive focal point for your party. You can easily pair them with other decorations to create a unique look. Use them for birthdays, baby showers, weddings, holidays, and so much more. Their versatility makes them a fantastic addition to any themed event. Setting up these beautiful decorations is a breeze. Simply peel off the backing and stick them to any smooth surface for instant party flair. These shimmering streamers will help you create a memorable atmosphere. Your guests will surely remember the love and beauty you put into your celebration. Crafted from high-quality, shiny tinsel, these backdrops offer a beautiful, reflective surface. They are designed to add sparkle and create a festive ambience. What we like. This backdrop offers a dazzling glittery tinsel effect, perfect for creating a shiny and eye-catching party atmosphere. It's incredibly easy to install, making setup a breeze. If you're looking for a quick and impactful way to create a photo booth or decorate an entrance for any celebration, this backdrop will add instant sparkle. What people say. Perfect for a wall or background for pictures, but I bought 2 packs and 1 sheet fit perfectly over my daughter's bedroom door. 2 were used to walk through as an entrance to a hallway and 1 was on the wall. It has a sticky strip at the top that I used to stick it to a curtain rod. It was somewhat difficult to remove from the rod after a week. You have to pull it off carefully for sticky stuff to not stay on the rod. Super pretty. Easy to put up, good quality. Number 1. Toyland SpongeBob and Patrick Foil Balloons. Get ready for some underwater fun with these amazing character balloons. They're perfect for any SpongeBob fan. These balloons feature an automatic sealing valve for easy inflation. You can fill them with air to decorate your party space or with helium to watch them float. Make your child's next party extra special with these vibrant decorations. They're sure to bring smiles and excitement to the celebration. Looking for a unique gift? These balloons are a fantastic surprise for any occasion, guaranteed to delight any SpongeBob enthusiast. Please note that the balloons arrive flat and uninflated. You'll have the fun of inflating them yourself to their full, impressive size. Standing at approximately 29 and 36 inches, these balloons make a big statement. They're ready to bring your favorite characters to life. What we like. These are shaped foil balloons featuring SpongeBob and Patrick, perfect for any fan of the show. They can be filled with air or helium for versatile decoration. If you're hosting a SpongeBob-themed birthday party or want to surprise a big fan, these character balloons are a must-have. What people say. Great product, held air for days after party. These balloons were so cute. They were very good quality and good size. They filled up very easily with no holes at all. Each one is big at a few feet tall, but they're easy to blow up. Image is printed on both sides and it does not look cheaply printed like some character balloons do. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.